Yeah, probably a couple dollars in there. Yep. Just dropped the camera. Hope it's not broke. What's up, family? What's poppin'? What's going on? Like, what is everybody doing? Like, what is everybody doing with their lives right now? Like, I really, honestly, I'm curious. What are you guys doing? What's up? What's up with everybody? What's up with my fam? What's up with you guys? Comment below what you guys are doing. How's business? How's everything going? How much money are you guys making? Are you crushing it? Are you struggling? Are you getting involved? Are you almost got it? Let me know. Just comment below. I just wanna interact. See what's up, guys. My life is amazing. You know what I mean. But I make these videos to help you guys feel the same way. I want everybody to feel what I feel, man. It's amazing. It's amazing to make some money effortlessly. Um, my beautiful daughter, you guys seen. She's in there with mama right now, sleeping. Yeah, and with that being said, though, it is a lot harder to vlog. I'm not gonna lie, guys. It's a bit harder to get some videos going because baby time. It, when you have a kid, guys, realize that your time is not your time. It's all about baby's time. You gotta sleep when they sleep. Yeah, because if you don't, you're in for it. But it's a blessing. It's awesome. I'm tired. But I'm super daddy. I'm super daddy. Nothing can wear me out. So I'm in the and you guys are my family. So I'm come on. Of course I'm gonna vlog. Of course I'm gonna bring you guys some content. But yeah, anyways, guys, this video is about something cool that actually happened to me today. My brother-in-law calls me today, early in the morning today. Woke me up actually, and he's like, "Hey, bro, I need your help, bro. Can you come work with me today?" And for those of you who know me, you guys know that I started a landscaping company a year and a half ago. My brother-in-law has his company, and I worked with my granddad doing construction. So, when I met my wife and I met her brothers, and they were into the same field that I was into, it all just kind of meshed together. So me and him did a lot of work together last year, and so basically, him, and my other brother, his brother, we're like the drivers. We know how to like handle the heavy machinery, the trailers, the 18 wheelers, all types of stuff like that. I don't have my CDL license, but he does. But I drive the bobcats, the trailers, all types of stuff like that. But anyways, long story short, like I was saying, he needed somebody. He was like, "Bro, I need your help. I'm a couple guys short. The season is about to pick back up." And I thought it was something to do with like landscaping, but it actually wasn't. I said, "Okay, yeah, And he said, help me out. I split the profits with you." I said, "Oh, cool. I got a baby girl. Money's money. I'll go do some labor today." So got nothing else to do anyway. So I went, and when I was driving there, when we was driving and we was in the trucks, I was asking him like, "What exactly were we doing?" Because I still didn't even know. He was like, "Oh, there's a really really wealthy family wants us to move all this stuff out." I said, "Oh, really? Oh, that's nothing." And then when we get there, it dawned on me. I was working the basement, getting rid of all the garbage out the basement, just dumping everything in the trailer. And then it dawned on me. I'm like, "Wait a minute, you guys don't want any of this stuff?" The family was like, "No, we don't want anything. We're just throwing everything away." Mind you, guys, when I say wealthy, we're talking about a 6-car garage home, guys. Ridiculous. I think we're going back there next Friday, actually, and I told him I want to be a part of that just because of how much stuff I found this time. So we're going back next Friday. I'm gonna get footage of the actual house, so you guys that don't believe me, I'm gonna show you guys as well, because I know a lot of YouTubers lie. I don't understand why people be lying to you guys. Like I don't understand, but I gotta keep it 100. But anyways, it was a 6-car garage home. Now, of course, we sell on Amazon or we sell online in general, right? No matter where you come from, what you're doing online. I was like, whoa. First thing I noticed, the bookshelf loaded with like textbooks and college books and almost mint condition. and I'm like, some of them mint condition, and I'm like, whoa. And then it just dawned on me. I'm like, I'm pulling out my phone. Everybody's upstairs, and my brother-in-law and all the other workers we brought with us, they're working demolition in the house and everything, and taking out the garbage. And I'm just sitting there scanning books on the bookshelf like, yo, are you serious? So, yeah, I found a bunch of books. I mean, to be honest, I only scanned like maybe, I don't even know how many books, but several of them were over 20 something dollars. One of them were over 60 something dollars. So I made well over $100 in books. And then that's just the books. There was also used equipment like coffee makers, toaster machines, waffle makers, just ice machines, air purifiers. So many products there that were used, but still, even as used, as long as I plugged them in, as long as they worked, and I knew they worked and they used and they're not beat up. Oh my gosh. I just marked them as used, you know what I mean? And I'm going to send those in as well. So, guys, I went to a job site where I got paid to go there just to help out. And I'm going to make over another $100 and something dollars in just the books alone. Never mind the other stuff I found. So, guys, that's a score. That's a big score. Like, and actually, I'm gonna go to my car right now and go get some of the books to show you. I can't carry them all in, and it's nighttime right now. It's really cold. It's raining right now, so I'm not gonna be able to bring all of them in. I'm just gonna bring in some and show you guys exactly some of the things I found in that house, which is insane. And this is all for free. So I got paid to go get money, pretty much. But hey, let me go to the car and go get some of the books and show you guys. In the meantime, I'm gonna show you guys a sneak peek of the new F-250 truck I just bought for this season. I might end up doing a little bit of work with my brother-in-law this season. You know why? Because I got this free time. I got a baby girl, and let me tell you guys something. I'm humble. You gotta humble yourself. Just because I'm making all this money, I don't need to. Let's get this clear. I don't need to go back and work with my brother. I don't need to do any of that stuff, right? But it's free money, man. It's free money. I'm not going to work every day like I was before, but the days where it's like like a boss, I get to wake up and say, you know what, I'm going to drive my truck today. I'm going to go, lug some mulch to a location and tell the workers to go, to do the lawns. Like, so why not? It's free. It's easy. So I'm going to combine that. And honestly, all the money I make from that I'm just going to dump into advertising money. That's just going to be for paid ads for my Shopify, my Amazon, and, products, whatever. That money is nothing. And then the money I make from my business, I recycle as well and just use a little bit for food and insurance and stuff like that for the baby. Everything, guys. I'm on my way up. I want to know where you guys are headed to. So let me give you guys a clip of the new truck that I got right here. Sneak peek. I'm going to give you guys a clip because I'm excited about this one. And I'll be back with the books. All right, peace. All right, guys. Crazy. I'm about to buy this truck right here. This is my new truck, guys. I told my wife I was going to get a diesel truck. Here it is. Beautiful. This junk's nice. Let's get in, guys. Yes. So the windows are a little messed up because they made me take out the tents. The front was tinted, so I had to take out the front sunroof. It's crazy. F-250 diesel truck, big bed in the back, camera, GPS, everything. It's legit. My new truck. There go my water bottle. My baby can sit right here. My wife can sit right here. And it's gonna be awesome. So, LeVar's going up. I'm out, guys. Peace. Okay, guys. So I brought the books in, brought a couple of the boxes I found as well to show you guys, because I know some people are just so like, this dude's lying. He's lying, right? Because I know a lot of YouTubers lie. We all know a lot of YouTubers lie. But so I'm gonna show you guys some stuff. Look, so yeah, these are a few of the books. I couldn't carry them all in there once. It's raining outside right now, so I just grabbed a few. I also found this. This is crazy. When I was over there emptying out that rich person's house, check this out. This was like in the basement and just like, I don't know, maybe I should have told them that they had a case of quarters. All this change. It's crazy, right? Yeah, probably a couple dollars in there. Yep. Just dropped the camera. Hope it's not broke. Anyways, yeah, check this out, guys. So I found a few books. Like, these are some crazy books. Here's the boxes. There's way more. See, as you can see, there's still tape on some of them, but they're like in pretty much mint condition. This is only 3, but I have about 15 of them. A couple more, like a lot left in the car. But look, all these free books, and these are not cheap books, guys. Like, look, team-based project management. I don't know what that's worth, but yeah, there's some stuff. Like, one of these books is like $60-something. So this is all stuff I found at a pretty much throw away some garbage house. They were cleaning out the house. I got paid to clean out the house, and I got a lot of money about to be made on Amazon. Crazy. And I'm gonna enjoy that. I just wanted to show you guys that, because you're my family, and I want to give you guys some tips on how to do this stuff, man. Like, this is not really a tip, but guys, you see what I mean? This is easy, man. That's free money. And for those of you who have a job right now, it just goes to show you, I make damn good money selling online, right? I don't never, ever need to work for anyone else again in my life. But am I too good to make some extra cash? I have a baby girl on the way. I have all this free time now because I make money online, not really having to do too much besides shop for retail arbitrage when I want to do retail arbitrage, but I don't need to, right? So why would somebody like that go out and do some labor? Well, because I'm humble. I'm humble. Why would I say no to money? If I'm sitting on my ass anyway, why would I say no to money? Right? So this is, I say that to say this, guys. If you have a job, don't quit your job. Don't quit your job right away. Keep your job and make some extra money. But what I'm trying to show you guys is to use your money to make more money. All right? And I didn't even need to use no money in this case to make any money. I just made this without using any money. I actually got paid to make money. They paid me to make money, which is crazy. Yeah, well, my brother-in-law. So, yeah, guys, do this. Do this. You have a job. Use your money to make money. Okay, guys? Like, I mean, and if you got friends and stuff, go raid their bookshelves. You know what I'm saying, guys? But nah, all jokes aside, man, this is peace and love. I showed you guys my little baby girl. I showed you guys a sneak preview of my new truck. Yeah, that's really all I want to say. I just wanted to show my face again. I haven't been here. It's been a long journey with my baby girl and a lot of family stuff going on, and I'm going to try to upload every single day. I'm not going to lie to you guys. It's a lot harder than I thought with baby girl here. She cries. She says, "Daddy, come here. Daddy, come here." Well, she's not talking yet, but when she calls, I come. You know what I mean? So me and my wife have a handful, and we only have one, and she keeps us up all night, so it's kind of crazy. So yeah, anyways, I'm trying to make all the money I can make. I plan on becoming a millionaire very soon. I don't know exactly how soon. It's all in God's time, but I will be eventually. And all of you guys watching this can do it as well. Like, it's really that simple. Every last one of you who are watching this video can be a millionaire, can be successful, and if not even a millionaire, a thousandaire. You know, you can make a couple $100,000 a year, and that's really all you need. $100,000 a year after taxes, you're set. You're pretty much living a life. So guys, go out there and crush it, man. It's peace and love from LeVar. Alright, guys, look what I found. This is crazy. I was going to scan some of these for you guys, but you guys get the picture. I don't think I need to scan anything. But the cool thing about books, what I do want to show you, Let me grab my scanner really quick. Let me grab this really quick. The cool thing about books that I do want to show you guys is that when you scan a book, you don't even need to find, it doesn't even need a barcode. Books don't need barcodes, guys. Check this out. Let's do, okay. Well, any one of these. I don't even care. Books don't need barcodes, guys. This is so cool. Look, scan the cover. No, that's not the right book. That's not the right book. I gotta scan a barcode on that one. I'll scan this cover. Scan that cover. It pops up. There it is. $8.22. $8.22. The first listing I looked at. Now it's saying $35. So I gotta look into this. So guys, look at all these books I have, and I mean, I wasn't gonna even scan anything, but just wanted to show you guys that it's real. It's real. Go out there and kill it, guys. All right. It's peace and love. It's your boy LeVar. If you family, hit the bell and subscribe. You already know what it is, guys. I shouldn't even have to say it anymore, but I love saying it because I love you guys. We family, and my baby girl's here. We all family, guys. You guys are going to see me go all the way up. I want to see you guys go all the way up. I want to hear about it in the comments. All right, guys. Peace and love. We out. Peace.